Maybe I didn't hit record. I don't fucking know. Anyways, I am putting the M9 Hall sensor gimbals in Stoner Trash's QX7. I already took the back off. I'm gonna pop out these old gimbals and then I'm gonna wrap up the M9 gimbals before I drop them in. I'm doing a full wrap in this video. I'm probably just gonna do a lot of it in fast motion. Yeah, it should be pretty straightforward. It's gonna go pretty easy. I was thinking about wrapping it while it's apart, but it's a pretty straightforward wrap, so I think I'm just gonna do it after I put it back together. I'm gonna wrap the M9s before I do that though. And I need to adjust them for Stoner Trash so that she knows, so that she can tell if they're comfortable, because right now she likes them a little bit tighter than normal, which is how I like mine. She learned on my radio, so she's used to having to throw the sticks a little harder. I kind of like mine, not necessarily tight, but tighter. But yeah, I'm gonna get going on this, so I'm probably gonna stop talking now. Okay, so first complaint. Then it's not really a complaint, but come on guys, make stickers. Like it's not that hard for companies to make stickers. Throw stickers in everything. Is it that hard? Everybody likes stickers. If you don't like stickers, then there's something wrong with you. Somebody got a tackle box or a gun case or something they can put stickers on. Like what the heck? Stickers, always stickers. I'm gonna be like Rick Sanchez about his Mulan Szechuan sauce. Like I swear to God, man, I'm not gonna stop till there's stickers and everything. I want to get screws with stickers. I want stickers and everything. I want stickers with my toilet paper. Every company should have stickers. I wouldn't sell fuck all without stickers. And there's your little baby spring out of there. Okay, yeah. See that?
Oh my god.
See how floppy it is? So I'm just gonna tighten this up just a hair so that you can feel a little bit of resistance. Feel that?
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, I like that.
And
it
doesn't move now?
Yeah, no, it's perfect.
Yeah, see, I don't like it like that. And then this side is, I haven't done anything with this side. And eventually over time it'll loosen up. But that's golden right there.
That's okay. Once it's all set up, I'm gonna immediately put it on the DRL, so.
The trick to wrapping is a very sharp knife and patience. Booyah! Dem kitties dough! Dem kitties dough! Love how I said you gotta use a sharp knife, and then my fucking knife's like a hunk of shit. well, I put the gimbals back in, and now I'm gonna calibrate. One day, okay, there we go. Whoa, look at that, it's fucking focused. Okay, so as you can see, shit's not exactly right. So I have to go into old menu, page, 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 page. Calibration. Then you press enter. Sticks to med point. Enter. Move sticks. Done. And as you can see, everything is good now. So yeah, there you go.
Oh my god! Hold up.
What? I don't have any horses. Thingamajiggy? No way! You ain't tell me no about no thingamajiggy, bitch!
You don't have no soul.
So yeah, if anyone was wondering why I got them fancy looking screens, it's because I bought some really cheap ass fucking window tint. No fancy business. I don't even need no doggone tape measure. I ain't got no talent, I just doggone know how to work my hands. I doggone know how to work my hands good.
Oh, I know.
That's going on YouTube. I don't have a credit card, so I'm using an eraser. Get this motherfucker a credit card.